Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you are doing well. Today the lecture, I think there won't be any problem. The last lectures, all the lectures were familiar for the topic O level. Here today you have already studied this one, but where I will revise it again to convert the equation into this form which I have written, expressed in the form of this one. Cambridge will ask the question into different forms. First of the forms I have written, it is exercise 1B, page number 9 of the book which I have recommended to you. The first form is this one, which I have written x square minus 6x, and I have to convert it into the whole squared form. If you will just go back to the book 3, chapter number 1, exercise 1B, the first question was there, convert it into the completing the squared form. It is the whole square, and the equation is not in the whole, just like you have written the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This you have written. Here my question is given till in this form, x square, a square minus 2ab. I have to make it the complete square. How? Whatever the coefficient along with the x, you will take the half of this one. The half of 6 is 3. You will add the square. We will add the square of 3 and subtract the square of 3. It is the whole square of x, this sign, and this value. Means a square minus 2ab plus b square. This a square plus 2ab plus b square is the whole square of a plus b whole square. So I have written a minus b whole square. If you will find here minus, you will write minus. If you will find here plus, we will write it the plus. And this minus 9. This was all about our questions of today. This is the first form. The Cambridge asks the questions in this form. The second form of the same type of question, I am going to write just like the part F, x square minus 4x minus 8. The second form of this question, Cambridge asks this one. What you have to write, first of all, you will have to make it put the bracket around the values of x. There are two values of x. I will put the bracket around them. Now, I will do the rest of the process is same. What I have to add or subtract, the half of 4 is 2. The square of 2 will be added and the square of 2 I will subtract. And this minus 8 will remain same at this position. Now I have to make it the complete square, just like x, this value minus and the 2. X, this sign and this value, and this minus 2 to the 4 and minus 8. Now my resulting answer would be minus 12. This was the second form. I will ask the question in this way. Now the third form of the same question, this is the question number 2, A part. Minus 12x plus 19. To make it the complete square, we have to make it x square alone. Here, the value of, first of all, the first step, you will take it in the bracket first. The coefficient of x square should be alone, but here is 2. You will have to take 2 common. What will left in the bracket? Whatever the coefficient along with the x square, we have to take the common. Now, x square minus 6x plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 19. The half of 6 is 3. I have added the square of 3 and subtract the square of 3. Now, this is the whole square of x minus 3. The square of 3 is 9 plus 19. Now, I will multiply this to 18 plus 19. This 19 will remain same. This 2 will be multiplied to 9 to becomes 18. Now the resulting answer would be this one. Now another form of the question, just like the C part. Two x square plus 5x minus 1. Now the first step, which I have already told you, you have to make it in the bracket first. Now here we can take out common 2, but here I cannot take 2 common. But I have already told you the coefficient of x square would be alone. Take 2 common. What will left in the bracket? 5 by 2x. Though I cannot take 2 common, but I have to make it along the as coefficient of x square. So this 2 will go down to other side. Now what I have to add or subtract? The half of this fraction. The half of this fraction is 5 by 4 square minus 5 by 4 square minus 1. If you will divide this fraction to 2, you will get 5 by 4. Now, x plus 5 by 4 whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square. Minus, no, you can open the square of this one, 25 by 16 minus 1. Now, this one. Now multiply with 2. Minus 1. When I will multiply with 2, the fraction becomes 25 by 8. Now take the LCM and write the final answer. This is the final answer. These are the different forms Cambridge asks the question. Now there are 2 more forms. I'm going to write just like the question number 3. Question number 3, A part. C part I will do. 4 minus 3, it is more tricky, minus 3x minus x square. To solve the quadratic equation, it should be in the descending form first. It is not the descending form. First of all, minus x square minus 3x plus 4. I will arrange according to the power. The highest power is 2, then 1, then 0. Now, here we will take minus common. X square plus 3x minus 4. Now, x square, rest of the process is same. Put the bracket. Keep this equation into the bracket. Now solve it. X square plus 3x. The half of 3 is 3 by 2. We will add the square of 3 by 2 minus 4. Now, make it the complete square. X plus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4, minus 4. Fine. Now, multiply with this minus sign. X plus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4 plus 4. Now you take the LCM to get the final answer. This was the final answer. When you will find the minus at the start, we have to take the common. Now, we'll do one more part. Then I will assign the homework to you. You have to do a lot of practice on it. It's not so much easy. D part. Now again, you will have to arrange it first. Minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2. The same step I have done. Now, the second step is this one. Make it in the bracket, the value of x. Now, here we have to take common. Common would be the coefficient of x square, what it would be. We have to take the common. Minus 3, I will take out x square minus 5 by 3x plus 2. Now, we have to add or subtract the half of this fraction. The half of this fraction would be 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Whatever you will add, you will have to subtract to make the equation balance. Do not cut it. Then you will get the same this step. We have to proceed it to make it this in this form. X minus 5 by 6 whole square minus 25 by 36 plus 2. Now the next step would be we have to multiply with this minus 3 to whole this bracket. You will get plus 2. Now take the LCM and write the final answer. Yes, student, one thing more. Maybe at the back of the book, they have written the answer in this form. Do not be confused. He has arranged only. You may leave the answer here. You may write it in the arranged form. It's up to you. Fine. Now, this is the exercise 1B, and you will have to attempt question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Students, do all the parts. In this way, you will your concept would be more clear to you. Fine. If you have any question regarding this lecture, just come to the question answer session. But today's lecture is over. We have to make the practice of these questions. Now today and tomorrow even. Tomorrow I will repeat, even do the same questions and it in the more modified form. Now I've written exercise 1B, page number 9. Fine. I think so you won't be having any problem. This is the book. Maybe you have purchased. If those students do not have the book, I'm going to WhatsApp the exercise of the question right now. Fine. Thank you. Jazakallah.